Yes, I am happy to tell everyone that when Sister Mariana visited us last 2 weeks ago, we had several meetings with the brothers and sisters, and it has a very good feedback, especially from the ones from Ilocos and from Cebu. They are very organized even before knowing GPMS. So now they are currently sending their database from different organizations that they have to be encoded to GPMS. And now, uh, before we had this meeting, the group from Cebu did a meeting donning their GPMS t-shirts as uniforms, and they also have the GPMS Guardian IDs. So they are very proudly sharing GPMS to everyone in Cebu, and of course those who are in Ilocos Sur and Ilocos Norte. And I am very glorious and grateful for Sister Mariana visiting us because uh she practically uh put us again on fire. And Brother Bronson here, he is a witness to what we have been doing while Sister Mariana was here. Brother Bronson, would you like to share some words?